Hi guys, this is Josh Peterson with Peterson Electric. Today I wanted to show you something about FPE, Federal Pacific Electric. Basically, in the trade we kind of have our own slang for that. We call it Fire Pacific. Anyways, the way that you know if you have an FPE panel is you have red breakers or black. But here's the most common sense. Here's a name tag right here. And then on the front door cover, FPE. The reason why this is kind of a concern is that these breakers actually had and have an issue that if you try to pull them off, which is very, very difficult, you can see that their stab lock right here is a male stud. Breakers nowadays actually have to have the male stud on the bus bar, and then on the female, the breaker should have the female part that receives into that system. But as far as the rumor goes, and what you can actually study is not a rumor, you'll find out that FPE never got some of its UL listing on some of these panels, and when they actually came out in the market, they actually stopped mass producing them. But there's a ton of them in certain cities in Colorado. Fort Collins, Loveland, Arvada, Aurora, Centennial, Littleton. I've seen a lot of these panels. The issue with these breakers is that they will not trip. By my own personal experience, I actually had a service call on an electric range, 50 amps, 240 volt, phase to phase. I dropped a screw on the terminal block and I blew it off of the range because it fell on an accident, and it actually took the screw and melted it like solder. And I went right around the corner to the kitchen and the breaker never tripped. It stayed running the whole time. So when you've got 240 face-to-face hitting head-on like that, that breaker is strong enough to even blow the main out back, and it didn't blow anything in this apartment. So in my experience, these breakers are not detecting dead shorts, ground faults, or even over current draws and tripping so the wire doesn't melt. Anyways, thanks for joining us. Have a great day.